moving on to the next slide. What do you mean by a balanced diet?
Ma'am,
Yeah?
you can again explain roughage.
You did not understand what is roughage? You want me to repeat it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, basically roughage is, the bulk. Roughage is basically it's a part of the food which we must have in our daily diet, which adds up to the bulk. What is roughage? Roughage is basically we get from green leafy vegetables. Yeah. Anything, we really can't digest it, but it is needed for our good bowel movements, or else, one remains constipated. Yeah. So for a free-flowing bowel movement, you need to have roughage every day. When we make orange juice from oranges, we only have the juice, we throw the pulp. But you should not throw the pulp, you should also have the pulp. That is where the roughage lies. That is the roughage. Roughage and dietary fiber are all the same thing. Neha, you can post your question in the chat itself. Okay, now coming to a balanced diet. Many of you have said a balanced diet is a diet which has got all the food in it. You're right. You're very right. Now, Vivan, can you tell me what should a balanced diet have?
Ma'am, a balanced diet should have food that has all the nutrients in the sufficient quantity.
Correct.
Like, ma'am, a 12-year-old child needs more of proteins.
Correct.
While a working person needs more of carbohydrates and fats.
Very good. Very good. Yes, Nirbhai, tell me.
Balanced diet are type of two: fats, proteins, vitamin, and carbohydrate. We in a 11 years child should eat a healthy food.
Everybody.
Examples are proteins.
Yes. Thank you, Nirbhay. Not only, it's not only about a children or working woman, but it's about everyone. Everybody should have balanced diet. It's just that the requirement is different. Yes, Neha, it is complete food. When you say complete food, that means, as you said, a growing child, when he's 8 years old, 9 years old, he needs to pull up height. His organs needs to grow. He needs to have more blood.
No, ma'am.
So when I talk about balanced food, it is, a balanced food should have a little bit of everything, right? It has to have a little bit of carbohydrate, a little bit of protein, a little bit of vitamins and minerals, water, roughage, minerals, everything. Now, the question is it something like that, when I have breakfast, I have proteins. When I have lunch, I will have lots of carbohydrate. In dinner, I'll have vitamins and minerals. And maybe sometime in the evening, I'll have a lot of water. So now my full day is balanced. Is it something like that? Fawaz, do you want to reply? Is that a balanced diet?
Yes, ma'am.
Is that a balanced diet? I have protein in the morning, carbohydrate for lunch, evening I have roughage and water, and night I'll have vitamins. So can I say that's a balanced diet?
No, ma'am.
Why so? All right. Each and every meal of ours has to be balanced. For example, if we are having a breakfast, we need to have cereals, which has got a lot of carbohydrates and vitamins. In breakfast, we will have a fruit, which will have vitamins and roughage, right? We will have bread, which will have carbohydrates. We can put a little bit of jam on it, sugar, sucrose. We can also add a little bit of butter, which will be a little bit of fat, right? We can have tea or coffee or milk, which will have protein as well as little water, right? So this breakfast itself, we will have everything little. Then again, coming to lunch, we will have little rice, we will have little chapati, little dal, little non-veg in the form of protein, and little vegetables, correct? So each and every meal has to have a balanced diet. Similarly for dinner also, we have to have little bit of everything, or else what happens? If in one meal you have a lot of roughage, a lot of fiber, then you will have a diet, you will have a loose motions. That is not how it is to be. Everything, every day there is a daily requirement, right? The dietitians know that we have a daily requirement of protein, that one each day a person should have 150 grams of protein every day. Okay, welcome. Okay, so as we were discussing about balanced diet in each and every meal that we have, not only for one particular day, correct? Now, next what we are going to discuss is, when we have this balanced diet, what all should we have in a balanced diet, correct? One second. Okay, here it is. When we say nutrients, there are basically 6 kinds of nutrients. That's what I was saying, to make life easier so that, we understand things pretty well. Food has been broken down into 6 parts. What are the parts? Carbohydrate, vitamins, fats, minerals, proteins, and water. We can also add roughage to this. Yeah, water and roughage. So these are basically the nutrients we were talking about, which gives us energy. This gives us, helps us in growing, and this helps in protection of our body. Right? So all this while we were talking about having all these 6 things or 7 things in our daily diet, in our daily meal. Okay, now